Do you want to add favorite films in Facebook? You can put favorite movies on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add favorite films and movies to your Facebook profile. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the Interests section. Under Interests, tap on Films. Now, a new screen will appear with a list of different movies. Use the search bar to type the name of your favorite film or movie. Select the correct movie from the list. Once selected, tap the Save button. Now, your favorite film or movie will appear under the Interests section on your Facebook profile.